I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.
Washed my hair a few days ago, and now I'm gonna put my U-part in. So today is Sunday, and I got a box. Yesterday, my mom shipped some more of my stuff, and I don't know why. I don't know if she shipped this before she shipped this stuff yesterday. I don't know, but one came, so I have to go through this. This is the box where I bought a few things before I left Wisconsin, so I can have some stuff, so I wouldn't have to spend once I got here. And also I needed stuff. I still had to cook and stuff for my daughter, and you guys know I really try to watch how I'm eating for the most part, so my flour is everywhere, girl. And this is expensive flour. I think it's like $5-6 a bag. Unbleached flour. Okay, so it is everywhere. Everywhere. So we're gonna go through the box. And then I got this for my car because I'm in a new state. I don't know where things are. So I had to get a different car mount, and I had to get one that was not the suction that goes like on the mirror or the dashboard, because for me it's too hot here. So I have to take that down. I need to really clean my windshield. And then I got this one instead. It comes with 3 different parts, and it's going to look like this. Let me put this together, and we just gonna go start on. a lot of stuff came broken this time as well, but it's no big deal. So I have to buy new flour, I have to get sugar, and then I have to buy containers, but I need to buy them. I don't really know how I'm gonna do it, but I know I have to get some more just regular, the wide ones for like cereal, because that's what I put my flour in. I just don't know if I want to put my flour and sugar in there again, or do I want to get like a bigger jars and put that in and have it sitting out kind of cute. Because I do normally make my own, I make a lot of my own cookies, which I'll start showing you guys. I make my own pancake mix, so I need containers for the mix part, like the flour, all of the dry ingredients for my pancakes, and then I can add like the milk and the eggs later. So I do need containers for that. So I'm just not going to be using flour. I'm going to be using flour, and then I have to make baseline ingredients for stuff that I make on a regular, like my cookies, pancakes, biscuits, stuff like that. So I'm gonna figure out which ones I want. I'm gonna go to Home Goods. I did see some on Amazon, but with Amazon you kind of don't be knowing the sizes sometimes, or if it'll work. So I'm gonna go get the stuff I need. I just made me some tea. I just showed you guys that. My phone is charging. I have to post some content for a shapewear brand, which I pray one day I continue to work with, because this was just a one-time thing. So hopefully they reach back out and like how I post the content. I'm very happy with how it looks. The shapewear is it's like the best shapewear. It is fall time, so I got my tea. I got some pumpkin flavor tea before I moved to Texas from my mom, so I used that, and then I just put like a black tea in here. On the weekends I eat probably twice a day, just because it's like the weekend. I just like having fun. We had pizza Friday and it stretched over till Saturday, so today I'm cooking for the week. And then during the weekday I try to eat just twice. I'm trying to get back down to one a day, because we was doing one a days for a while, but now we're eating twice a day. So I eat lunch and then I eat dinner. Sometimes I do have snacks in between, like fruits. I may even have a cookie girl, some popcorn, something like that. But my meals I only eat twice. So in the morning from now on, I'm gonna start off with tea, just so it can suppress my appetite for a longer period of time. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over here, read my Bible, and I will see y'all dinner time. So I just got home. I'm about to put up my groceries that I got. And y'all, I ain't even getting this stuff this time. I got pizzas. Well, one. Chicken nuggets. I got my milk, sausage, turkey, hot dog, or chili dogs. It's that time of the month, so child, I had a taste for some cake, child, so I got me a cake. So I'm just gonna take everything out. Oh, I got some white rice, and what's in this is organic long grain white rice. That's it. I got my chocolate cake. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat it. Some bread, bagels, eggs. Oh, I got some cookies too. Some cheese sauce. I just had a taste for that. Listen, I don't really use plain cream cheese on my bagel, but I got that. My daughter some spicy pickles and hot dogs. Okay guys, so I just put up the little bit of food that I just got. I'm gonna go back to work. I made rotel, so I'm gonna eat a little bit of that and give me a piece of chocolate cake because I'm vegan, okay? So I'll see you guys later because today is gym day. So hey guys, as you guys can see, I am dressed for the gym in my kitchen again, girl. I need to wash these dishes and cook some food for my daughter for when she gets out of school so she can eat, and then I'll get off work and then we'll go to the gym. I'm not stressed. I really don't use the word stress, but I am overwhelmed with my job right now. I actually really like my job. I just like how it goes, but I've been put in a new position at my job, still in my same department, and it's more on me than normal. I literally just started this week and today is Wednesday. So yeah, I am overwhelmed a little bit, just a little. My lead, my team, my lead, they all are super helpful. It's gonna be just a little while for me to get used to me doing this. Mind you, I may not even continue to stay in this, so yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. But for right now, this is my position that I'm in, and I'm in it by myself, but I do get help, but it's just overwhelming. So because eventually the plan is for me to not have help and basically for me to do it myself, unless the load that I'm getting, like emails and stuff, comes in and it's just a lot at one time, which busy season for everyone is during the holiday, including my job. So I know I will be needing some help. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wash these dishes. I have to organize my makeup because my mom sent me more boxes and my makeup organizers are in there. I'm probably not going to keep these, but I'm going to have to keep them for a little while now because I have to prioritize getting other stuff for my home instead of getting new makeup containers, you know what I mean? So I'm going to use those and I'll show you guys that once I come back from the gym, and we'll organize and put my stuff back in there. I need a new table up for in there, girl. But listen, one thing I'm gonna do is work with what I got, okay? That's one thing I'm gonna do. So I'll see y'all once we come back from the gym.
what you all been waiting for, ain't it? What people pay paper for, game it. They can't stain it, they want something new. So let's get reacquainted. Became the hood favorite, I can't even explain it. I surprised myself too. Life of a dawn, lights keep glowing. Coming in the club with that fresh shit on, with something crazy on my arm.